doing a short demo on using Loom to communicate things that you might need to share information with someone else. And in this example, it's real simple. Um, we just need to share with another group of people that this construction fence line needs to be edited out. So I got a phone call. Hey, can you edit the fence line out? I was there, so I know what they were referring to. I had to go back and look at the photos. But if you're ever trying to communicate something to another group of people and you need a simple way to do that, I'll show you two tools that will help you communicate that message where you can visually share that information. So all we're trying to do here is communicate to a group of editors that this construction fence line needs to go out. So one way I could use the program that you're viewing this on right now, or that I'm recording it on. I'm going to put this on YouTube. It's called Loom, Loom. I'll go to the website here, Loom. And they do have a free system you can use. I use the paid version. It's not very much. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just trying to share a resource that can be used for sharing information. And that way, if you're trying to type up a long email, if you're trying to have a voicemail, or if you're trying to have a phone call, you can just cut to the chase, record a video, share the information, and send it on. And the person or team you're trying to share it with can get that information when they have time and it's convenient for them. That way, you're not having to schedule another meeting. So you can see in here, it's saved us. I've got 400 right here on the top right. I've got 443 videos. So that's 443 communication points. Instead of having a meeting, I've shared that information. So here it's estimating that's 3 hours of conversation, which is probably more than that. That's 3 hours of video that's recorded. If I'd had 443 meetings to share a point that was 3 hours of content, there probably would have been another 3 hours of content and Q&A going back and forth. So it might be, roughly 6 or 7 more hours saved. So that's the point of this. It's real simple. You can download it on your computer. You can put it in your web browser. You can go to their website, log in, and use it. And then you just share the link. So it's just really simple. So in this video, I'm literally going to say this construction fence line in the middle of this field right here, in the photos that we will be putting in Dropbox. There's about 15 photos at different angles circling the property. This fence line and roughly the 15 photos in the Dropbox this fence line needs to be edited out in every photo, at every angle, at every altitude. We just want one clean field right here. So the editors will get that message and they will edit that fence out. So that's Loom. Desktop recording, simple share, and it has some AI features that'll create an email message, an AI email message. So when I share this, it's real simple. Another tool, just real quick, that you can use together, it's right here, Awesome screen capture. Now they call it Awesome GPT screen capture. So it has some AI features. So I can go in here and I can do, and there's several things you can do. I'm going to show you what I'm doing on this. So now, on top of the video that I just left, I will create a video note. So now it took a screenshot of that photo, and I can go right here. I'm going to change the color right here to yellow. You can change how thick you want the line to be. And then I go right here and make a message. I'm going to do it with, I use a lot of voice typing. Edit the construction fence out of all photos. That's just something I do so I don't have to type. What happened? Let's take that out. We don't need that. Let's go back. Sorry. Copy. We're going to go here. And now we're going to go to this text right here. I'm going to put that message. It didn't. I'm trying to do a copy paste here. There we go. And then we can make that larger. Let's see right here. I'm not on my normal computer. I'm traveling, so I'm on a different computer. All right. You can move that, highlight it, and then move it around. You can make it larger. And then we can go right here. Let's see it. Let's do just showing you some features. So I use this a lot of times when real estate agents will ask for a map with notations. I'll do a Google screenshot, zoom in on the property, and then you can put map notations in that a potential buyer would be information that they would find helpful. We did one in Mount Juliet the other day, and it was not a lake house, but it was very close to the lake. So we did a top-down Google Earth animation. You were like a mile from a state park. You were 2 miles from a marina, and the Cumberland River had two access points. So all around this neighborhood, there was all types of water activity that was anywhere from 1 mile to 5 miles. There was a golf course, and then we did the distance to the airport, which from Mount Juliet is a simple drive. If you've got a job where you need to travel, you could get out of Mount Juliet and get over to the airport and fly out for your meetings. So we're able to do a map notation. That is two examples of two tools. One is called Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recording. It'll do screen recording, but I use it mainly for doing screenshots and notations. And then Loom I use for desktop videos and sharing information. I just thought you would find that helpful and would be something you could use when you are trying to share information with others. All right, thank you.